War I. World War II. Korea. Vietnam. Panama, Grenada. Desert Shield. Desert Storm. Global War on Terrorism. Braden Hegewald, U.S. Army. Raymond Thomas, Army. Will Davis, Navy. Daryl Smith. Robert Lundeen, Army. Michael Hughes, Army. Michael Whalen, Navy. Bill Turner, World War II, Army. Richard Gibson, Vietnam, Navy. Ben Colgan, Army. Gary Hill. Randy and Stephen Matthias, Marines. Melvin Matthias, Army. Rick Field, Marines. Peter Sensigali, Vietnam, Army. Ed Bittner, Navy. Jack Forgy. Joseph Barofik, Navy.
Detail, Oxhead, forward, full, half right, hey! Ready, aim, hard, aim, hard, aim, hard, forward, full, half left, hey! Breathe in, pull!
They should order orange.
This day is sacred with the almost visible presence of those who have gone before us. We honor the memories of those who gave their lives in the service of our country and those others who have dropped their burdens by the wayside of life and are gone to the eternal rest. May the ceremony of the day deepen our reverence for our departed comrades, friends, and loved ones. Let us renew our pledge of loyalty to our country and its flag. Thank you all for attending this memorial.
God bless you.